In this video, we will discuss how to read data contained in a Microsoft Excel file into R for use in other analyses. The first step is, of course, to have your data in an Excel file. I have such an Excel file here called amssurvey.xlsx, and it is located in my directory that is used for an R project I have called Videos for R. So it's on my Google Drive in the Videos for R file. That means I'm able to see the file that I need directly from the file viewer built into RStudio. You could see the Excel file just by clicking on this. That will start Excel for you and display the file. Our goal is to get these data into R. Now, in order to do that, we have to make sure this file is in the correct format. First of all, the file can contain no extraneous information. In this case, the information about the source of the data, the website from which it was obtained, should not be in the file that will be read into R, so I'll just delete those rows. Secondly, the variable names that are in the first row, type, sex, citizenship, and these year ranges, should be legal R names for variables. These first three are legal, but these two don't start with a letter, and so I'll just change these names. Year 08, and I'll call this year 11. It's a good idea, although not always necessary, to ensure that the variable names have no blank spaces and they have no mathematical or special characters like percent signs or hash marks, as these could in some cases confuse R. So this is a file that can now be read directly into R. To do that, we need to change the format. So I'll go to the File menu in Excel, select Save As. In the Save As dialog, I'll change the file by changing the Save As type to CSV, comma separated value file. This is a human readable file that's also going to be readable by R. If you're using a Mac, you could have used the Mac CSV. It doesn't really make any difference. So I'll save the file, and Excel gives me a couple extraneous dialog boxes that I'll just dismiss. And now you could see we have a new file in our RStudio directory called amssurvey.csv. And this is the file that we could read directly into R. And here's the way that's done. I'm going to give the input a name. I'll call it AMS survey again. And the command is to read the CSV file. And the name of the file is amssurvey.csv. You'll notice in the environment window, it now says I have a data frame with 24 observations on 5 variables. The first is type, a factor with levels given by the names we saw. Sex is a factor with levels male and female. Citizenship is a factor with levels non-US and US. And the other two variables are integers. These are the counts of the number of individuals who earned a PhD degree in mathematical sciences in the year given, cross-classified by these other variables. You can now compute with these in the usual ways. For example, you could get a table of year 08 cross-classified by type, sex, and citizenship from AMS survey. And you could work with these data in other ways as well.